The Cybertruck by Tesla has an armored exterior that provides utmost durability and safety for passengers. Its exoskeleton is designed to be almost impenetrable, and each component is built to be incredibly strong and long-lasting. This includes the ultra-hard, cold-rolled 30X stainless steel used for the structural exterior and the Tesla glass that is also armored. Experience a new level of power, speed, and versatility with this electric vehicle. Its efficient drivetrain and low center of gravity gives you exceptional traction control and extreme torque. You can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and travel up to 500 miles on a single charge. At the Electrified Cars and Coffee event held at the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles, California, on June 25, Tesla's design chief Franz von Holzhausen showcased a highly detailed prototype of the Cybertruck. Attendees of the event took pictures and videos of the truck's features and shared them on social media. The Cybertruck is a unique and amusing vehicle that's capable of navigating up the winding ramp of Peterson's parking garage with the help of rear-wheel steering. While the design updates are mostly evolutionary from the original Cybertruck that was famously hit with a baseball by Franz von Holzhausen in 2019, there's one noteworthy change: the location of the charging port. The Cybertruck's charging door was initially located behind the rear driver's side wheel arch, but it has now been integrated into the arch. This may pose a problem as the outer parts of pickup trucks are often the first to sustain damage. Additionally, the charging door is designed to work only with Tesla's superchargers and is not compatible with other public chargers. The Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, is not yet producing vehicles at full capacity. However, there have been recent sightings of Cybertrucks both with and without camouflage, as reported by Inside EVs. Currently, the Tesla Model Y electric SUV is being manufactured at Giga, Texas. The factory's website still refers to it as the future home of the Cybertruck. Initially, Tesla planned to start manufacturing the Cybertruck in late 2021. However, they later postponed it to late 2022. There were rumors of further delays, but Elon Musk clarified that Tesla didn't introduce any new vehicles in 2022. As a result, the first Cybertrucks are expected to arrive in 2023. Elon Musk has acknowledged that mass production of the truck won't start until 2024. This means that most people will have to wait for some time before they receive their truck. To secure a reservation for the Cybertruck, you only need to provide a refundable $100 USD. According to Elon Musk, the company received 250,000 reservations just a week after the initial launch. However, independent sources suggest that there are between 1.5 million to 1.8 million potential buyers interested in purchasing the Cybertruck. Tesla has recently removed a significant amount of information on the Cybertruck from its website, including its features and pricing. Despite previous rates being given by Tesla for the truck, it has been confirmed that they will no longer be honored. At the 2022 annual shareholders meeting of Tesla, Musk acknowledged that there will be differences in prices. During the unveiling of the Cybertruck in 2019, Musk mentioned that the reservation fee was $99. However, since then, there have been changes to both the specs and pricing. Unfortunately, Musk has to share the news that inflation and other issues have made it difficult to predict the final pricing. According to Tesla, the single-motor Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds. That's pretty sluggish by Tesla standard, but this is a truck and their bulk typically stops any super-fast acceleration. Though this makes the performance of the higher-end models that bit more impressive. The dual-motor Cybertruck can make it to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, while the tri-motor model can do it in 2.9 seconds. That's amazingly quick for such a large vehicle and will likely give some other, less bulky electric cars a run for their money. Stay tuned for more exciting news and announcements from Tesla and other technology. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.